Friends, in today's video, we will discuss how to add capacity in Azure DevOps. Now, what I'll do, I'll just navigate to my Azure portal where I have already logged into the portal. I will show you the complete steps there. Now, let me go there. You can able to see I have already logged into my Azure portal. So here, after you log into the portal, what you need to do is search for Azure DevOps, and here under services, you will find Azure DevOps organizations, right? Click on that. The moment you will do that, you will see this view my organizations, right? Click on the view my organizations button. After that, you will see all the projects here, right? You'll see here I have two projects, TMTS info and Azure license. And what you can do, you can select the or click on the project name for the one you want to add the capacity, right? So if you see here, I am into TMTS info now, right? And then, so now what you need to do, you can just mouse over on the boards option from the left navigation and then select sprints, right? Click on the sprints option, and here you will see all the tabs, your taskboard, backlog, capacity, and analytics, right? Click on the capacity tab to select that particular tab. And here you can able to see I have one user for this particular sprint, and he has this capacity per day is 3, and he is a developer which is whose activity is development, right? And he has a 0 days off, and 2 days off is 0 till now. Okay, so basically when I'm telling to add capacity to Azure DevOps, that that means you need to add a user along with their capacity per day, what activity they are involved, and days off, everything, right? So for that, what you need to do, and click on the add user button, and here you need to select, you need to search for your user that you want to add, right? So say I need this user to be part of this sprint, and I need to increase the capacity of this particular sprint. So I will select this user, then click on the OK button, right? You can able to see the user has been added here. Now you need to specify here activity, which activity he is a developer or tester or into deployment. So design part, development, documentation or requirement or testing, you can select based on your team's requirement, right? So say he's a tester, so I will mention, I will just select testing here, and his capacity I want to utilize. When I'm telling capacity per day is nothing but the hour, how many hours you want to utilize from that guy, right? So I want to use 6 hours per day as a capacity, right? And then you can just enter the hours you want, right? And finally you need to click on the save button. But before that, any off is there, you can also specify that. Suppose Vijay is having a off day, like one day, you can specify the start date and end day, and click on the OK button. Additional days off, you can specify again and click on the OK button, right? Just you need to select the start date and end date, right? And then click on the OK button. So this is how you can add this, and after adding all these details, you ensure that you are clicking on the save button. Otherwise, the changes will not saved, right? So click on the save button. The moment you will do that, you can able to see it is saved successfully because save button is disabled now, right? Now, if you want to, remove any user anytime, what you can do, you can click on the more options, and you can say remove user, which will remove this particular user. Okay. Say I will click on the remove user, and the user has been removed successfully. Now I need to click here save, but in case you want to again get it back, you can just click on the reboot button. See, the user came back now, right? So again, I will just remove it, remove user, and click on the save button, and you are done now, right? So this way you can add a capacity or add a user as a capacity to a particular sprint in Azure DevOps. So that's it for today, guys. I thought to quickly show you how to add capacity to Azure DevOps, and these are the steps you need to follow to do that. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If you found this video little helpful for you, kindly subscribe to our channel so that you will get lots of free Azure tips, SQL Server tips, Google Docs tips, Google Drive tips, and many more. Thanks a lot again, guys, and have a nice day. Bye bye.